Sazam, let's just get into it. Namhlanje sikhuluma ngomsebenzi. Baningi abantu ababa very stressed about the work environment. You know, some people emsebenzini, they feel like they are not appreciated. They feel like they're invisible. They feel like they're being bullied. So they feel like they're overworked and overwhelmed. Kune-favoritism, khona othandwayo, khona opromotwayo, ukhona wena njalo, you know. So there's all those things ezenzakalayo emsebenzini. But you know, I want to balance izinto today ukuthi kungabi just about wena osebenzayo, but also about the boss. Ngoba baningi abanye benu banama-business enu ewodwa, and nako kukodwa logo you need to also take care of yourself. You also need to have wellness emsebenzini nawe, even if ubasi, because if you're a boss, you're the one who worries about salaries. Wena who worries about umuntu ongekho emsebenzini nokhona, someone wants to take leave, omunye uyagula, and you have to refuse leave yalona, and abantu sebeyakuzonda, you know. Bosses also go through their own troubles. Hey, uthola ukuthi wena ubona as umsebenzi ubona ngathi ibhizinisi ikhona nabo abantu bayathenga, but awazi ama-debts ukuthi mangakanani ama-debts, uSARS nangu uSARS ukhona. So in both avenues, people generally have some kind of tension and stress. So namhlanje sithi asibheke both sides, but for you, so the two zazi ukuthi emsebenzini, these are the things that can challenge you. Ngoba I've noticed, especially uma sengenza ama talks am lapha eMedilution Wellness Retreat, ukuthi abantu abaningi, they have got problems with emsebenzini. You having problems emsebenzini, whether a colleague osebenza nayo, whether ubasi wakho or whoever it is. If kuguti you are having a problem emsebenzini, then you just feel like awubelongi, then it just becomes a trouble lapho. So kulungile ke sithandwa zami, grab your pen and paper. Khumbula ukuthi as usual, I'm going to do what we do best. You tell me about you, and then I analyze you and what is happening in your life, all right? So grab your piece of paper. Remember, have your piece of paper with you. If awunalo nepeni, especially in the Laphe Medilution Wellness Retreat, it's important just to have those so that I'll be going in and analyzing your story. After this break, we'll be continuing again. Ngawe othi umuzibheka ubone ukuthi hey man, empeleni emsebenzini angimina kuneshunike engiyigqokile, there's this armor that I'm wearing, kunale front engiba yiyona, just so that I can survive emsebenzini. And if that's the case, sithandwa zami, then you're not feeling safe emsebenzini. Awuphephile, awuzizwa uphephile ukuthi you can be yourself. It means kwawena you are pretending, you know, emsebenzini, you're pretending that everything is okay. You pretend ukuthi you're not hurt, even if into iglimaza, you pretend as if it's okay. And which is not right, ngoba kuba nephathi kuwena efunayo ukuthi you must stand up for yourself, and leyo nto izogcina siphuma kabi, siphuma kubantu abathandayo, siphuma kuyingane ekhaya, siphuma in your loved one, siphuma in your body, siphuma kumdavazo ekameleni, iphuma in your relationship, kanti kusuke kuyinto esindayo oyithole kuphi wena oyithole emsebenzini. So before sizobhala ke emaphepheni ethu sithandwa zami, I want you to answer this question ukuthi wena, have you noticed ukuthi uba ubani emsebenzini? Mhlambe uzothi mina Dr. Mthembu emsebenzini I become quiet. Mhlambe uthi mina emsebenzini ngidiniwe ngine-anger, abangazi nje mina emsebenzini I become very aggressive mina emsebenzini. Uzothi emsebenzini ngivele ngizama ukujabulisa wonke umuntu, ngimncoma umuntu noma engagqokile kahle ngithi muhle, noma umbona ushintsha inwele ngizothi zinhle even if angizithandi. So I'm basically just ngiyazincengela nje, I'm people pleasing emsebenzini. Or are you going to say ukuthi mina emsebenzini I'm the person who carries everyone, you know, imina ogcina ephuma late ngenzela abantu umsebenzi, uthola ukuthi imina owenze more but sesinconywa sonke kodwa imina engaziyo ukuthi imina kusuke I was carrying everyone. So basically you end up performing more emsebenzini but you end up feeling undervalued. All right, so these are the things I want you to ask yourself, sithandwa zami. Manje yisonto ilesikhathi sethu, it's our precious space, our precious hour. Yes, I know ukuthi since you are here with me and you're finding time to relax, but kunabantu ukuthi just before mase kuyisonto, what is the feeling that you have when mase kuyisonto ntambama so wazi ukuthi uyemsebenzini kusasa? What is the feeling that you get? Okay? Do you feel anxious? Mhlambe soqala usuba nexhala uze ukuthi ish sosindelwa isifuba njena, your shoulders start feeling heavy, mhlambe uphathwe ikhanda uvela uphathwe isisu. Do you start feeling anxious manje just before usuzoya emsebenzini? Or do you feel ukuthi mase usucabanga ukuthi umsumbuluko kusasa ngemsebenzini, do you feel exhausted? Ngoba khona abantu abanjalo ukuthi kuyisonto ntambama vele ezizwe ekhathele kakhulu ukuthi awe ma ngemsebenzini kusasa. Do you feel tired when you think about going to work tomorrow? Okay? Or uthi mawucabanga ukuya emsebenzini, do you feel angry? Ube nento ethi ngichifi ish yazi ngiyalapha ya emsebenzini, you know? That can be something. And by the way, for many people, anger, we've spoken about anger before. Anger is generally protecting a hurt. And then to protect yourself, you become angry. So maybe you get angry when you think about going back to work, you know. Are you angry when you think about going to work? Or do you see yourself as ukuthi nje vela bangiboni nje vela I'm invisible emsebenzini, no one appreciates me vela emsebenzini abangiboni, they don't see my worth? Or do you feel overwhelmed, like it's too much, deadlines kuningi, there's so much that needs to be done, you're just feeling overwhelmed? Ngiyakubona ukuba anxious, ukuba ixhala, there's something else. But khona futhi where you feel overwhelmed, angathi it's just too much, angathi uyasindwa kakhulu umsebenzi wakho. Okay? Ngiyangibona uSibu lapho is already saying yena he feels anxious. Okay? Or many people feel this. Do you feel stuck? Okay, do you find ukuthi mucabanga ukuya emsebenzini you just feel stuck nje mucabanga you work? Do you feel stuck when you think about work or your work environment? Or do you feel like Dr. Mthembu? I'm joking. Or do you feel excited about going to work? Do you feel peaceful? You feel like new day, I wonder what great thing is gonna happen to me, you know? I see you Zodwa, you say I feel quit, or maybe you're saying quiet or quit, or maybe you feel like quitting. Okay, pleasing. So okay Zodwa, so you people please, uyazincengela kubantu ba emsebenzini. So I want you to write all those things. What do you feel this time zam? Khumbula, by the way Zodwa, ukuthi sometimes someone who's people pleasing, all right, look Sanozam, sometimes even our work environment can be ingavusa a wound esinye isilonda esivele esikhona. Uthole ukuthi it's not even about work, but it's about what is happening in your life. It can even be about what has happened in your life before ukhula. So for example, umuntu ofana nawe Zodwa, umuthi when you are pleasing, you find ukuthi you are people pleasing, you might be afraid. You might be afraid of losing your job. You know, you might be afraid of being not chosen. And you might find ukuthi lonto might be coming from your childhood. Ukuthi in your childhood you were compared, when in your childhood you were neglected or abandoned. So manje you're afraid ukuthi ngingaxoshwa emsebenzini, you end up people pleasing, you know. Look, to a certain extent, everyone kind of people pleases ubas wakho uzobona uzokasha ijoke engahlekisi nje nihleke nonke ngathi it's a big joke kanti ubengasho lutho olutheni but nizohleka nje ngathi wow hey wena, you know. It happens. That's normal. That's a people pleasing eyenzekayo, but you must see yourself when you do that too. Uzibuza ukuthi why ngile joke yakhe bengahlekisi even that much? Why did I feel like angathi ngazincengela, you know, kuyena in this moment in time, you know? Cleo says peaceful. Oh, I like that, Cleo, because you know when you feel peaceful ngomsebenzi wakho, it means you need to celebrate that. But also feeling peaceful means you need to be aware of ungabi on the other side of peaceful. You need to be aware of the fact that you are feeling peaceful. It means you are feeling safe, manje. So it meaning you are able to talk when kunento ngayithandi, meaning that you are able to form boundaries lapho emsebenzini wakho. So also, even if you are feeling peaceful, Cleo, make sure that you also give yourself that time to also feel safe and just breathe and be able to relax. And feeling peaceful, actually, that is wellness. That is good emsebenzini ngoba it doesn't mean ukuthi you won't feel pressure. It doesn't mean ukuthi akekho umuntu engeke nizwane naye, but it also means that you've got boundaries and you are able to resolve a conflict emsebenzini wakho ngendlela nomuntu ngoba lalela, most of the time abantu esisebenza nabo, they are the people we end up spending so much time with, even more than abantu bemndeni yethu. Sifike emakhaya ntambama ngo-6 so-busy usuzolala, and so you spend more time nabantu osebenza nabo than you do with your loved ones or even with your kids. And yes, umsebenzi and the people that we work with can be a cushion of comfort ngoba ungathola ukuthi ningagcina sinisupportana if kukhona oshonile, if kunomcimbi, you know, even when you're celebrating ekhaya nabo bazofika ba celebrate nawe. So yes, it can be that, okay? So which can be a good thing. But just be careful of, sometimes ngengibone ngiyazi ngiyadeviate, but ngengibone kukhona kuma work environment where people start saying, oh, we are family, we are like family. I always laugh at that because I always saying, mina umuntu wami umndeni wami, sometimes umndeni expects you to do things for them, to be extra supportive when they're over and you don't complain and you're extra supportive ngoba kuwumndeni. So be careful when the word ethi family kumsebenzi, it's now a replacement yokuthi wena, you can work overtime and don't complain. You can do extra, don't expect anything extra. There's guidelines emsebenzini. It's good to be family ngokuthi niyazwana, but imithetho yomsebenzi must always be in place. It's very important ukuthi sihloniphe leyo, because imithetho emsebenzini is also just to help to protect both parties, both wena osebenzayo and wena omqashi. Because if isogcila kakhulu ekutheni it's family, you know, kuzogcina umuntu esekhuluma nawe nanomi kanjani and akasazi ukuthi mhlambe ke manje that is now become verbally abusive or even sexually abusive, sekuthinta ngendlela engekho right. Okay, so let me hear what you had to say. Nondumiso says anxious and overwhelmed. I see Figza Baby, you also say overwhelmed. All right. Okay, let me see my TikTokers here. Sometimes feel out of control. Okay, out of control. I think it's also, you know, overwhelmed. You're feeling a bit overwhelmed also when you're thinking about work, if you're feeling overwhelmed. Usmemo oti, I work in a team. Sometimes I feel like they are conspiring against me. I lack socially. Yeah. So uyabona ikhona nayo leyo yokufila ngathi bakhipha inyumbazana wena uwedwa emsebenzini. But you know, Smemo, you know, you say sometimes you feel it. And that is where the boundaries come in of being able to speak up for yourself and stand up, you know, for yourself. But sometimes you might be feeling an insecurity. You need to make sure ukuthi lento engiyifilayo yinto nje engiyifilayo ngoba into engiyisensayo, or has there really been something eyenzekile that is proof. Ngoba once there is something that is proof, and that's one of the things you must always do emsebenzini sithanda zami, have a portfolio of evidence. Talk nomuntu umtshele umbhalele i-email usho ukuthi lokho I didn't like lento ishilo if ukuthi konta ishilo. But when you're basing something on feelings, uzobona ukuthi nawe you're going to start reacting now ngenye indlela, and it can just cause unnecessary conflict kanti mhlambe nawe bukade udlinza, not necessarily because you have any proof. But if you do, I mean, that is why we have HR that is there to help to make sure ukuthi the work environment is a peaceful one. Okay, so asiqale lapha kunina Nondumiso, you said you anxious. Now for umuntu anxious thana sami, if when you feel ukuthi you get anxious when you think about work, you get anxious. Where does it come from? Generally, it doesn't just come from ukuthi nje, it just happened. Leyo nto isho ukuthi within umsebenzi wakho something happened, either you were criticized, okay, khona emsebenzini, or mhlambe ubasi wakho wakuphoxa phambi kwabantu, all right, or ubasi wakho unpredictable. 1 minute uyahleka umazi funeka ugauge ukuthi angimazi ke namhlanje uzofike njani, you know, that will also make you a bit anxious. All right, so very important ke sithando zami is you need to separate, and ngiphinda kuSmemo also, you need to be able to separate your identity of who you are and your performance. Emsebenzini you perform, you get gauged according to ukuthi how well you contributed, but it's not who you are, So it's important to then separate how you perform emsebenzini and your identity of who you are, okay? So umuntu who generally feels anxious isuke iqhamuka lapho ukuthi something happened mhlambe before eyakwenza wafila ngathi you were humiliated in public, and maybe you didn't stand up for yourself, or ubasi wakho spoke bad kuwe in front of other people and you were humiliated. All right. Or overwhelmed, okay? So whenever you feel overwhelmed, generally kuba njani lapho kumuntu who's overwhelmed, uthola ukuthi kunama deadlines. There's a lot of deadlines, kuno-performance, uhola ngokuthi uperformile, uhola ngokuthi uthole ama-sales amangaka, so you always trying to catch up a score, or uyabhula imlilo ngapha nangapha. Whenever umsebenzi wakho unjalo, you will feel overwhelmed ngoba it means you don't have control, okay? You're not having control of umsebenzi wakho, and uthi ubhula lo mlilo ngapha uqhamuke ngapha, uthi ubhula lo mlilo ngapha uqhamuke ngapha. So generally for people who feel overwhelmed, figza, it's generally abantu who do not delegate. What you need to do is you need to learn to delegate. That is what you need to do. All right? Ngoba overwhelmed nje kanjena ngoba you take on too much responsibility, or you allow umuntu ozothawa ungenzele lokhu, angikho namhlanje, ubongibhekela ukuthi, and you agree. So meaning you've got weak boundaries emsebenzini, ugcina suvuma ukuthi abantu bakwenzise izinto, and yet lozo zinto zizogcina wena zingakuphathi kahle. But also part of learning how to delegate, Tanazami, you need to learn to ask, okay, for help. Ungathi ngizoyenza mina. Ask for help. Ubona ukuthi hey ngidinga usizo lana, so I need someone to be able to help me. Okay? And I see ngokhona futhi abathe they feel unappreciated, okay? Umuntu who feels unappreciated is generally someone who works very hard, but ubona ngathi akanconywa. They don't get the praises that they feel they are deserving. And so you work extra hard, you give in so much of your time, but you don't feel acknowledged. You don't feel acknowledged by your boss. You don't feel acknowledged by your your colleagues, or maybe sometimes uthola ukuthi kuzo recognizewa omunye umuntu kodwa wena lento yenzile and you've pushed, but you feel